everyone, my name is Ashi and I'm a tarot coach and I'm going to help you in bringing clarity in your life through tarot. So this is my first video on this channel and this channel will be dedicated to give you the guidance in English. So stay tuned, like this video, connect with the energy, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Do hype the video if it resonates with you and claim the energy in the comments. So whenever you are finding this video is for you and we are going to check what is the next 30 days are bringing in your life. So what is the energy of your next 30 days? This is a timeless video, so whenever you are finding this today, tomorrow, next month, in years, whenever you are finding this video, the 30 days starts from tomorrow. So let's get started. So let's check the energy of your next 30 days. Please connect with the energy to make the video resonate to you. Like this video, subscribe to the channel and let's see what is the energy of all the people who have connected with the energy. Thank you, dear angels. Okay, we already got the card. Wow, we have 7 of Wands. What a beautiful card to have. In the next 30 days, you guys need to make sure that whatever you have built in your life, for example, if you have started your own social media channel and if you are seeing growth on your channel, make sure that you do not announce it in front of the people you think might be jealous of you and of your growth. Most of the time it happens when we declare our plans in advance or when we tell certain kind of people in our life that we are seeing growth in our life, the people does not always like it. Okay, I am seeing that recently whatever you have planned for, whatever you have worked hard for has brought you good results in your life. Maybe you got name, fame, maybe you got a lot of attention from all the people because you passed in the exams, because your business actually blowed up and something you guys have achieved in the recent past, and because of that, because of all the attention that you have grabbed on yourself and on your work that you have done, believe me, so many people are happy about you, so many people are proud of you and the work and the hard work that you have done, but there are certain people who are not liking whatever you have built or whatever you are building. So the guidance here is not to tell your plans or your growth in advance to the people around you. Okay, because I am seeing that some kind of jealous energy is buzzing around you guys right now. So I want you guys to work hard in private. Work hard in private. Do not, please, do not expose your plans, your goals, your growth, your achievements to the people so openly. Treat your work sacred. Treat your work as sacred. I'm not telling you guys to keep the secret, to keep your hard work or achievements a secret. But do not open up about it in front of small-minded people. And believe me, you guys already know who those people can be. It can be your relatives, it can be, fake friends that just pretend to be the friends, but they are actually not. I am seeing that you guys are going to get a lot of immense support, appreciation, congratulations from all the strangers in your life, and they are going to be your biggest supporters somehow in your journey, whatever you are doing in your life. But I'm seeing like there are people who who you are in contact with, being jealous of you, not liking the attention, not liking the name, fame, or the achievement that you have achieved. Okay, so you guys really need to make sure that you do not expose your plans in advance. If it's your family, that's fine, but if it's someone else outside of your family, that's not fine. You can tell it to the strangers, but you can't tell it to your friends. I don't know why I'm getting the friends energy here. I am not kidding you guys. Something needs to be hidden. Your plans, if you are working on a passion project, if for example if you are on YouTube and you are suddenly seeing the growth on your channel, do not tell it in front of your relatives or in front of your friends. They might not like it. Okay, so I am, it's like the energy of a person, of a hard-working person who has done a lot of hard work, who has overcome a lot of fears in your life just to achieve whatever you have achieved right now in your life. Whatever it is that you are celebrating, passing an exam, cracking a job, settling up a business, getting blown up on Instagram or YouTube. You guys have worked hard for it. Like, you guys have worked damn hard for this work. But there are people looking at you and to bring you down. I want to tell you, just make sure to stand your ground. Don't let the voices of the people who have not achieved anything in their life to bring you down. They haven't achieved anything in their life. So whatever the fuck they are saying, don't let their words, get to your heart and bring the empire or whatever you have built down to ashes. Don't do that. Because if a person is giving you an advice or saying something about your work and has not achieved any single thing in their life, I don't think that's the kind of a person you would want to take guidance from. Always take the guidance from the people who you want to become like. Okay, don't take the advice and the guidance from the people who have not achieved anything in their life, because those are the kind of people who are going to get triggered when you achieve your dreams, because they did not have the shitty willpower, passion, and they haven't taken any action in their life for their dreams, and those are the only kind of people you can trigger the most. I have triggered a lot of more people like this because I just decided to go after my dreams and go all freaking in. And that is one of the reasons I have blocked all of my relatives from all of my social media platforms. And if they are seeing me on YouTube, who cares? Right? They know where they stand. Especially. So hold your ground and stand in your own power, because you are powerful. And this is just the beginning for you guys. You are going to trigger a lot many people as you keep growing in your life. So just let them do whatever the shit they are doing. Let them say whatever they are doing. Let them do anything to bring you down. But make sure you stand your ground. Make sure you do not let their words overpower your passion. Because that's not worth it, honestly. That's completely not worth it. Okay, so stand your ground, because moving forward you are going to grow even more in your life. I'm not kidding. Okay, you are meant to be a person who has achieved a lot of growth and success in their life, because I see you guys are very passionate about something in your life that you are taking steps towards. So it's not worth giving up. It's not worth listening to someone who has not achieved in their life and bringing your fucking empire down. No, you have worked hard. Now stick to the ground and stand firm in your beliefs. Stand firm for your passion and for your dreams. Alright, so this is the next 30 days energy for you. I hope you resonated with this. If you are listening till here, please make sure to drop a green heart in the comments to let me know. Do also claim the energy and make sure please do not give up. And if you are not going to give up, comment down below, I am not going to give up. Okay, because you have not come this far just to come this far. Okay, there's a long way to go and there are so many beautiful things coming forward in your life. So do not give up. Alright, and if you want to book a personal tarot clarity session with me, you can find the links of it in the description box. So I will see you on the path of clarity, or I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself and bye bye.